of should you find that both of you cannot have children or you're incompatible,
then you can end
then
the
you can
contract.
end
If
the
you feel you
contract.
can't be the man who cannot give birth, or
Or
the
a
man who cannot,
woman, yes.
yeah, then you move. Yeah.
Yes, but also, of course, our tradition, and of course, the times for the tradition uh, is ending, but also other people are questioning. Now that the modern times have not given us that,
Yes.
of where we are protecting the man or the woman, for especially that has not been able to have children,
Yes.
because the modern times are not protecting.
Yes.
They are not protecting a spouse who is unable to have children.
Yes.
The question is where probably you're saying maybe we should have a contract.
Yeah.
But also, but where I come from, and from the traditions we had, there was no barren man.
Yes.
But also, if there was a barren woman, there was space for her.
Yeah.
She would actually be the one to say, you know, I am unable to have babies for you.
Yeah.
But I have my sister here. I have my friend here. She can come and join us.
Yes.
I have been in Acholi land. It was one place I worked for a long time.
Yeah.
They would say, you would say, but who is this one? You're interviewing this lady and say, who is this one? I say, it's my sister. She mean you're living with your sister?
Yeah.
She says, no, we cook together.
Yeah.
Oh, so how did you come to cook together?
Yeah.
Say, no, from the work that I was doing and all that, and I felt that my man's energies were too much. I was like,
You need to get another one who can help.
go and get another.
Very generous. The Acholis are very generous.
So,
Yeah.
to come to the conclusion to that is that then the woman, if the woman realized that, or if the community realized that the man is unable to have children, it was, you know, people have abused how Acholi society is structured. That, oh, your father also sleeps with your wife. Hey, your brother sleep with your wife. Who said? It was actually to mitigate the things of infertility
In men, actually. Also
in men.
Yeah.
And that is where you would have proverbs that, you know, if you were my brother, you cannot build far from me.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the neighbors will have children that resemble
Mine.
theirs or mine.
Yeah.
But if my children resemble my brother,
It's okay. That's my
it's
child.
okay. That's your child. That was to take care of the social
Yeah.
element of marriage or relationship. So